Experiencing a black screen on your GMC infotainment system? You're not alone. This issue commonly affects 2018-2023 models like Yukon, Sierra, and Terrain, and usually boils down to software glitches, hardware issues, or power problems. First, determine if it's a simple fix. Perform a soft reset by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds, or cycle the ignition. If that doesn't work, try a hard reset by disconnecting the car battery for 5 to 10 minutes. Check the infotainment system's fuse, usually 10A to 20A, labeled infotainment or radio in the fuse box. A blown fuse could be the culprit. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes like B101D or U1000, which could point to deeper problems, especially after modifications like aftermarket audio installations. Addressing these basics resolves about 80% of black screen issues, potentially saving you a costly trip to the dealer. If basic fixes fail, your GMC may need professional attention for persistent issues. Hardware problems like faulty capacitors, addressed in recalls for certain GMC models, often require module replacement. GMC is moving toward more integrated systems like UltFi, reducing black screens with AI-driven diagnostics and over-the-air updates. By 2027, GMC plans to standardize wireless updates across all models, significantly reducing software-related black screens. The industry is trending toward modular designs for easier DIY fixes and increased cybersecurity to prevent hacking-related screen failures. Staying updated with GMC's software updates and considering professional diagnostics for persistent issues are crucial for maintaining a functional infotainment system.